Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to see some applications of computer graphics. So first introduction. What is computer graphics? So it is a graphical representation of anything which we want in the computer or digital asset way. It's known as computer graphics. Computer graphics has revolutionized the way we perceive and interact with the world around us. Today, whatever the mobiles and laptops we're using, all have graphical user interfaces which make us to easily use the features that any company is going to provide. All this make us to feel easy to use those devices. With its ability to create realistic and immersive digital environments, computer graphics has found a wide range of applications in various industries and fields. And we are going to see which are those fields and we'll understand how graphic helped those industries to grow. First is entertainment industry. So entertainment industry in a simple way is that whatever the movies which are graphical movies which VFX and special effect movies which we see, all those because of the computer graphics, it is drawn through some XYZ plane axis to make the Spider-Man and in a Marvel movies. Even the animes also, all through graphics only. Computer graphics are used extensively in modern movies and TV shows to create stunning visual effects that would be impossible to achieve in real life. We can see that Spider-Man swings from one building to another building, but if we which is an entertainmently which is really good, and in comic wise it is really good. But if we want to really apply that into a motion pictures, then how it could be possible that a person swimming really from a building to building? So rather than making these stunts which can't going to be work, we can use these computer graphics which will show almost realistically, but we all know it is not, and it is a really good entertainment field because the end product is always scared, not how it is done. So even though many child adults and teenage people like this entertainment industry in graphics, even though they know it these can't be achieved in real life. So computer graphics are also used to create realistic animated characters and environments, allowing filmmakers to tell stories that would otherwise be impossible to bring to life. Education and training. I mean, how it can help in education and training. So in all the private schools which are now are there, even some a decade ago we were started with the smart classes. In those they put all the contents and they will show it in a very simple way that even a toy is explaining to the students that much easiness that this computer graphics has brought. Computer graphics are used in education and training to create interactive simulations and educational materials that will engage students and promote learning. Even the apps that the any companies release for the educational purposes, those have very clear way of representing its words and need to be done properly. Those materials can range from simplex animations and infographics to complex simulations and virtual reality experiences. So even if you want to learn anything as an history, imagine you reading some history and you are visualizing in some different way. Lots of words, lots of sentences makes different sense for different peoples. So if we use the virtual reality experience to create a view that is proper and correct for our point of view, and we want to deliver to the same students, we can make use of computer graphics. Can also create realistic medical simulations, allowing healthcare professionals to practice surgical techniques or emergency procedures in a safe and controlled environment. So all the doctors who are learning medicine, they what they do is they will get a body and they will do experimentation on those. But how many bodies they can get and how many mistakes they can do on those to achieve or to gain some knowledge. So rather than doing all those things, the simulations also can be created by these computer graphics, and can be practiced. And next is gaming industry. We can't imagine much games without computer graphics. All the games are graphics. So imagine you're playing COD, and rather than you're pressing some buttons to shoot or jump, you have to press Control A, B, C, D to shoot, jump, and rebirth. How you enjoy the game? You will not enjoy any game. So all the gaming industry is completely dependent on the graphical interfaces. Computer graphics have transformed the gaming industry, enabling developers to create highly realistic and immersive gaming environments. The COD game, which has a multiplayer mode, which can join multiple players from different devices to play together, and then the system need to be analyzed. All their actions need to be recorded, sent to buffers, need to be processed, and again sent back the output. These are all different and really hard stuff. But the simplistic in the computer graphics development, it is made really easy for engineers and developers for the graphics. Computer graphics are used to create detailed 3D models and game characters, environments, and objects, as well as to generate realistic lightning, shadows, and particle effects. So if you people ever played GTA 5, so how the GTA 5 is really too clear. It's like we are leaving them. It's so much graphics are used to get those feels to the gamers. Next is virtual reality environment. So what is this VR environments? If you people go to any malls, they will be having these VR environments. It is simple. They will put an eye glasses, and you have to run and jump, play in those controlled environments. So animations in virtual reality environments are often used to train heavy equipment operators or to analyze the effectiveness of various cabin configuration control placements. So when you use that virtual reality environments and the goggles, you will not going to feel that you are outside of that. You forget that you have a world. You will just get yourself immersed into that machines, and you really love how it will work. It is all about graphics. So where is not graphics in today's our world with digital? In previous old decades, even though there was laptops, there were computers, but there were no graphical interfaces. So all they need to do is direct compilation. So if any one data need to be completed, so they need to enter many number of commands. They need to analyze lots of things from themselves so that they can get a proper output. But in what happened, the development is Geo is the best and the most wanted development in the computer industry. Imagine you double clicking a folder to open rather than writing 20 lines to create and open an folder. So that was made easy through these computer graphics. And all the compilers also use these computer graphics environments and the processors for easy and proper utilization of the user's computations. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you.